Hare Krishna. Finally, we all are going to get a very good relief from Mars and Ketu conjunction, for which we have been seeing so much fire energy in the universe since June. And now it is the time to get some relief because Venus is going to transit into the sign of Gemini, in which already Jupiter is sitting there, which makes a very beautiful yoga, a conjunction of Venus and Jupiter. Gurus, both are gurus, two benefic planets, making a wonderful yoga which we call Lakshmi Narayan Yoga, which really means it really gives you wonderful financial gains, some happiness in your life, but totally depends in your horoscope where Gemini sits. Wherever the Gemini rule your any house of your horoscope, you are going to get the wonderful results of this combination. And in this video I am going to cover all the ascendant signs, all the zodiac signs as well. So guys, if you know your ascendant and your zodiac sign, then please watch this video. You are Aries ascendant or Aries moon sign, guys, for you your 12th lord and second lord going to sit in the third house, which is the house of short travels, which is the house of communication, the house of siblings, the house of startup ideas also. So guys, if you think you have been thinking about some startup or to start something as a YouTube channel or like an influencer, or you have any interest into blogging, that would be a very good period for you guys. But make sure you refrain from some luxury expenses, because I can see you are going to do definitely some short travels, and that would be very good for you. You will have so much fun there, but you can spend so much into your luxury. Taurus ascendant or Taurus moon sign, guys, this would be really a very good time for you in terms of accumulation of wealth, because your 11th lord and your Lagan lord is going to sit in the second house, which is the house of wealth, and it is a dhan yoga, guys. तो आप लोगों के लिए it would be amazingly superb time to to accumulate some assets, to accumulate some wealth through your ancestors. This is the best time to invest somewhere and to get some financial liquidity gains through your old or past investments also. You can earn through communication, through teachings as well during this time. Gemini ascendant or Gemini moon sign, guys, you are really going to attract someone, anyone even easily, because your personality is going to enhance. Jupiter and Venus are going to sit in your Lagna. You are going to get a very good charismatic personality like Guru's has. Your 12th lord, your 10th lord and your 5th lord are going to sit in the Lagna, which really means it really can give you something good in terms of if you have been single and you have been into searching of your match. This would be the best time to give you a sustainable partner for long time, as a life partner. Also, this would be a very good time to give you some sudden opportunities, and this would be for your rise, guys. Cancer ascendant or Cancer moon sign, guys, you are really going outside. If you are thinking to travel outside of country, then what I am seeing here is you are really going to spend a lots of money, because your expenses can be luxury, and maybe there are chances you can spend on to buy some a new car, a luxury car, or you want to spend something on your home to renovate a new house, or maybe you are going to buy a luxury property, because your 4th lord, your 11th lord and your 9th lord is going to sit in the 12th house, which is the house of foreign country, hospitals and the expenses as well. So make sure you are spending in your limit. Leo ascendant or Leo moon sign, guys, for you Jupiter and Venus conjunction is in your 11th house, which is the house of desires, which is the house of friend circle, your social network. So what I am seeing here is you are really going to get a wonderful time among your friends, and you will be you will sit with your influential network as well during this time. What I am seeing here is somebody from your past as well. can enter into your life, and you can, if you don't want to be into a relationship during this time, still destiny will bring a relationship for you, and that would be really good for you. The good opportunity will come over your on your path. And what I am seeing here is 10th lord sitting in the 11th house, which is really brings a Raj Yoga. So overall this would be a very good time for finances, for fun, and for relationship. For all the Virgo people, Virgo moon sign or Virgo ascendant guys, Jupiter and Venus is going to transit into your 10th house, and that is your 4th lord and your 9th lord. This is really going to give you a very good, unpredictable time. You are really going to get a promotion, a growth, increment at your work front. Also what I am seeing here is your happiness from your home, from your homeland, from your mother. You are really going to get some wonderful time in terms of personal life and in terms of professional life. Definitely from professional life you are going to get authoritative position, fame, name, growth, achievements. Everything would be in your cards. Are Libra ascendant or you are Libra moon sign, guys, Jupiter and Venus is going to sit in your 9th house, which is the house of Bhagya, destiny, fortune, and the lord of 8th house, lord of 6th house, Vipreet Raj Yoga, that is sitting in the 9th house. Unpredictable sudden event can happen through, if you have been seeing any litigation or any court cases pending, then you are really going to get a major good relief during this period till 21st of August. Overall this would be a very good time for higher learnings. If you want to visit somewhere, you can visit some religious or spiritual places. You will be having someone as a guru also. So you are really going to get some good period, guys. If you are into a startup, your startup will rise now. So yeah, overall a good period. For Scorpio people, you are really going to get a wonderful time if you have been seeking some funds through investors, or you have been trying to take some loan as well, because your 2nd lord, your 12th lord, your 5th lord is going to sit in the 8th house, and that's your 7th lord as well. So sudden unexpectedly somebody can help you out here. Somebody from foreign as well can come and help you out through the funds, or maybe through if they want to invest into your startups. What I am seeing here is this would be the wonderful times in terms of partnership, business partnership, or marriage partnership. Sagittarius ascendant or Sagittarius moon sign, guys, your 11th lord, your Lagan lord, and your 4th lord are going to sit in the 2nd house, which is the house of daily income. This is the very good a Raj Yoga itself, wherein you can really get some good income sources, or multiple income sources. Also, if you have been troubling or conflicts into your marital life since May or June, then this would be the very good time to reconciliation with your partner or to enhance your romantic relationships. This would be the best time to get together with your family, and you can get some good fame, name into the family. For Aquarius moon sign, Aquarius ascendant, you are really going to get a wonderful romantic time with your partner, because Venus and Jupiter conjunction is in your 5th house, which is the house of love, romance. If you are a student, then this would be a wonderful time to get some good marks, and a time to get some fame in the school, in your class. Guys, your 4th lord sitting in the 5th house, which means you are going to get some good skills as well. If you have no skills to drive, then you are going to get a driving skills as well. So what I am seeing here is overall this would be the best period to wish fulfillment. For Aquarius moon sign, Aquarius ascendant, you are really going to get a wonderful romantic time with your partner, because Venus and Jupiter conjunction is in your fifth house, which is the house of love, romance. If you are a student, then this would be a wonderful time to get some good marks and a time to get some fame in the school, in your class. Guys, your fourth lord sitting in the fifth house, which means you are going to get some good skills as well. If you have no skills to drive, then you are going to get a driving skills as well. So what I am seeing here is overall this would be the best period to wish fulfillment. For Pisces ascendant or Pisces moon sign, Venus and Jupiter are going to sit in your fourth house, which is the house of comforts, luxury. You are really going to get a wonderful, peaceful time in your homeland, or maybe at your home, or your motherland. Now this would be the time wherein you can enjoy your luxury life. You can enjoy comfort zones as well. If you are into real estate or any matters related to real estate, then this would be the best time to accumulate some wealth through real estate.